Hello and welcome, it's Emilia here and welcome to my new video. Today I want actually to show you my album. This is not a new project, I made it in the summer, but I never showed it here on YouTube. I think maybe I had a short video but not the walkthrough, so I want to do that today because I want to create another album inspired by this one. I do have a video for creating the album base. This is all made from scratch, so I will link that video for you if you want to see how the base was created. And now with another collection in mind, I want to create something similar to that. Obviously elements will be different. I did created a little shaker box. It's very small here, but I thought this element is perfect for that. So we've got some sequins there. This is the sea inspired. It's from Stamperia Silent Sea collection, which I absolutely loved. All the elements here are from the collection, apart the flowers, because I made the flowers myself, but I also used the cutting dies from Stamperia. This is just the die cut, the chipboard die cut here, and it keeps the ribbon in the place. So when we open the album, so the cover is chipboard actually, and the pages as well, everything is made out of chipboard covered with the fabric, and I did show how to create that album base, so check that video. And now we will go through the pages. I got a pocket here and the little tag. I did some stamping and the photo mat here. I did some stamping here as well. Something simple. I love that the base is with the Kraft paper, the brown paper, so I think everything match here really nicely. All these elements and the stamps are from that Silent Sea collection. Actually this stamp maybe not, but most of the elements. Here I've got some magnetic element, and this can be used also as a fridge magnet, but it's keeping the actually no, I've got more magnets there, so it's not keeping the pages together, but it's, you know, just embellishment. Someone can have it on the fridge or on the metal board. And then we've got some photo mats here, and I created a little booklet with the stamping, and this one is, you cannot take it up. Actually maybe in the next album I will do it so you can still lift this one, but you've got plenty room for the photos here. The pages are thick because, like I said, it's a chipboard. There are only 2 pages in the album and the covers, but maybe the next one will have 1 more page. Maybe I will create 3 pages. Here we've got this element on the string. You can have a little photo here, but this is keeping the photo mats together, and you can lift these, so you can have an additional photo here. So that's that for this page. And then similar to that page, we've got the string there. This is keeping that little flap in place, but this flap also has a small pocket. We've got an envelope here with a tiny frame, a tag, and I did stamp everything, I mean almost everything in the album. We've got some, you can have a tiny photo here on this flap. This is mostly for decoration, and then we've got photo mats there. So I think these all look really cute, and the string keep that flap in place. And I did add the beads to the string just to add more interest. Then we've got another closure with the string, but this have 2 tags, I mean pieces of tags, and they are on the Assorted piece as well. So you can lift the whole decoration. You've got more elements there. And then we've got the photo mats here for the photo, so you can have 5 photos there. And I did connect just those two with the lace, and I love how it looks. You can also write something, you know, you don't need to use everything for the photos. You can write some notes, you can stick some tickets and other pieces. So this will just tie and keep that in place. And then on the back cover there is another pocket, so very similar to the first pocket. I think it's different size, slightly different. And then we've got more tags, photo mats, and the little places for the photos as well, and for some writing there. And this is actually it. It's quite small, like, you know, you will not put 100 photos in it, but it's so pretty. And like I said, the video tutorial for creating the base is on my channel. I did have, I don't know if I was creating this one or a different one with the, I think this one actually. I need to check that. Yeah, but that's that. What do you think about me creating another album inspired by this one? So we'll have similar pages inside. Would you be interested in a video like that? Please let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this short video. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.